Plegaria a Dios para que llegue la lluvia en Colombia, Invito a todos mirar al cielo. Efecto colectivo de energía universal. In Colombia, weather patterns directly impact agriculture, affecting food supply and livelihoods significantly. Farmers unite in communal prayer, seeking divine intervention for much-needed rain during droughts. Personal stories reveal the resilience of communities, emphasizing faith as a source of strength. Cultural rituals highlight the importance of hope and unity in overcoming environmental challenges. The beauty of Colombia's landscapes reflects the deep connection between nature and the people's spirituality. Join us in celebrating hope and unity through the power of collective prayer,